A brand new concept of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has just surfaced online, and it's creating massive buzz across the tech community. A creative user designed a boxy version of the S26 Ultra, and honestly, it looks stunning. The design features sharper edges and a sleek titanium-like matte finish, giving the phone an industrial yet luxurious look. What's even more interesting is that well-known tipster CID reacted to this concept. He shared the image on X, commenting that he personally prefers rounded corners instead of the boxy look. His post quickly sparked a lively debate among Galaxy fans. Some agreed with CID's preference for smoother curved edges, while others praised the bold and modern boxy design, saying it gives the Ultra series a more professional and premium aesthetic. But CID didn't stop there. In another post, he revealed a lineup of concept color options for the S26 Ultra, including a deep metallic blue, a classic matte black, and a clean pearl white. CID confidently stated, "Black is always the best color on a phone, and you can't prove me wrong." And honestly, the black variant looks incredibly elegant with its stealthy matte finish and bold camera layout. Shortly after, another designer named Rasik Rtogi joined the conversation by sharing his own concept renders, featuring the S26 Ultra in red, purple, and green color options. Each of these shades enhances the phone's striking design, giving it a futuristic and ultra-premium vibe. The kind of color range fans would love to see Samsung officially introduce. If Samsung actually takes inspiration from these fan-made renders, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could become one of the most visually impressive and stylish flagships we've ever seen. Whether you prefer the boxy frame or the rounded edges, one thing's clear: the upcoming Ultra is already turning heads long before its launch. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Recently, a user on X named Sample shared the first dummy units of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This time, several well-known Samsung leakers reacted to the post, revealing the possible colors of the upcoming flagship. Ice Universe shared the post without adding any caption or comment. And honestly, if Ice has shared it, that's usually a strong hint that these could be the actual colors coming to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to tipster Tarun Vats, Galaxy S26 Ultra dummy units leak in color. Why does it look so close to the iPhone 17 series? This sparked quite a debate among fans about Samsung's design direction. Meanwhile, tipster Anthony shared some promising details about the Galaxy S26 Ultra's specifications, highlighting several major upgrades. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a real powerhouse, featuring the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, paired with a larger vapor chamber cooling system for improved performance. It sports a stunning 6.9-inch M14 QHD Plus COE dynamic AMOLED display and even includes a built-in privacy screen feature. The camera setup looks equally impressive, with a 200-megapixel /1.4 main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 50-megapixel 5xf/2.9 periscope lens, and 12-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. Powering it all is a 5,000 mAh battery with 60-watt wired charging support. The device also offers up to 16 gigs of RAM with storage options of 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 TB, along with 25% faster RAM data transfer speeds, all packed into a sleek 7.9mm thin body. In another post, Anthony added that integrating a built-in privacy screen directly into the device is a remarkable addition, making the Galaxy S26 series even more appealing. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think Samsung's new design looks too close to the iPhone 17 series, or does it still stand out as its own thing? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080x2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic OLED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4900 mAh unit with 45 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic OLED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120. And it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss